So we are staying in San Pedro right now, and we're getting ready for our cruise, and we're staying at this place called Pacific Inn and Suites, and it's on Pacific Avenue, and the ocean is straight that way. So it's a quaint little place, and I'll show you our room here. We're in room 116, and we're here for 2 days. And we're leaving on a Royal Caribbean cruise on Monday, and today is Saturday. Oh, hello. So the rooms are set up kind of like little duplexes over here. So there's 2 rooms per building, and it's kind of a nice, quaint little place. We got a downstairs. There's also an upstairs, which are not set up like duplexes. And here's our room. It's been remodeled. I remember these heaters from probably the 60s. Anyway, looks like it's fairly new though. It's been redone. The rooms have been redone. There's a coffee maker, sink, and little storage cabinets down here. Little fridge. 4 drawers. Big drawers. Boy, there's quite a bit of room here. A couch. Desk, and here's the bedroom. That's interesting. I guess that's for keeping things quiet. And looks like a king-size bed. Nice. Windows have been redone. Smells good too. That's always a plus. Smells very clean. And here's a closet. Oh, ironing board and an iron. Boy, lots of amenities with this place. Pretty cool. I see. Okay. It's a 2-room suite. That's what they call them, suites, I guess. And then here's the bathroom. Everything looks new. This is good. Everything looks really new. Yep. And toilet, sink, everything you need in a bathroom. So there's a little market over here that you can go to and get, they sell liquor and all kinds of other stuff. So you could stock your fridge and then microwave some food. So there's Kate. So yes, we're on the free trolley.
Yes.
We just caught it at Cabrillo Beach.
Yes.
And it's a half hour, right?
Yes, and our driver is David right here, and he stopped for us.
Yes.
All to ourselves.
Yes. And there's only 4 of us on here. 5. Here we are at the Korean Monument. San Pedro. Beautiful view. It's a beautiful view.
And there's the Korean peace bell. We're in Korea.
Almost. Alright, this is a view. This is how we get into the park. And we are walking back to the hotel. So this is Embarkation Day, Pacific Inn and Suites.
You're not listening to the words that are coming out of my mouth. You're not getting it.
Got some people having a discussion in the car there. Very interesting. Anyway, so so the ocean's that way. So we're gonna embark today, and we've called an Uber XL for 4 people with a lot of luggage, and it wasn't going to be very much money. I don't know. I don't remember how much it was, but it wasn't very much for all 4 of us. 5 of us actually. And so we're just waiting for the Uber right now. It's very, very short ride, maybe 15 minutes or something to the port.